right, we're cutting our last few pieces here on the siding. This next piece, as you can see, has our rake angle or our roof pitch angle, which there's a few different ways you can figure that out. In this case, I'm just going to show you how to actually use the square to mark it. I framed it, I built it, I know it's a 412 pitch. So what that means is for every 12 inches that roof comes in, it goes up 4 inches. All you need to do is line up 12 on your framing square and then line up 4. So that is a 412 pitch, like 4 inches, 12 inches. Now this is your seat cut, what's known as your seat cut, and this is your plumb cut. So if there was a ridge board, that would be your plumb cut. If it's sitting on a plate or on a wall, that's your seat cut. Now in this case, we're going for the long angle, which is the seat cut, so we can get this angle here. So the measurement, that point to that point, is 62 inches. So that's our piece, so we want 62 inches. I'll pull my tape out, there's 62. Now from this point, back up here, that's our roof line, 12, 4. Now, you mark that, and you can also, if you want to get more meat there on your marking, line up your 12 there, and your 4 there on the inside. As long as you're using inside, inside, or outside, outside. Whatever it is you're lining up, just make sure you keep it consistent on each side. So we'll mark that, and then we just want to transfer that up this way. Check fit, make sure it's good. Looks pretty good to me. Very nice.